Alright, so this public toilet in Tokyo is really simple for men because we're quick. Alright, now that's the man. And here can be for males or females. So I love this. Oh, I guess I have to hit open. Check this one out. Alright. So again, 2 sinks. And a fancy Japanese Toto toilet. I love that. Oh my gosh, check this out. Hi, toilet. Maybe I have to speak in Japanese. Oh yeah, that's awesome. It'll play music. Wow. Hey, toilet. Play music. Hi, toilet. No, speaketh English. I love it. All right, let's continue the Tokyo toilet tour. Did you go in the his and hers toilet?
I only went into the boys.
All right. Well, I have video, so.
Okay.
All right.
On
Next
to number
one.
3, 5 minutes this way.
Isn't this fun? I've been looking forward to the toilet tour. You can pay money, like $100 or something, to do this tour, and it's such a beautiful day. Let's just save $200. Isn't that crazy?